Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to make a simple web browser with your C# application. So let's get started. First of all I will select a new project and I will select Windows Form application and I will name it as web browser and okay. Now in here I will take first of all I will take a tool strip here and in here I will add some component. So first of all I will add some buttons, button 1, button 2, button 3. This is for going back, this is for going forward, this is for refresh, and one more button to hit enter key, and I will take now a text box to enter the URL of your website. Okay, so I will take these things and then I will go to toolbox once again and I will drag and drop a web browser from here. Okay, and I will anchor it from the other sides also like that, and then I will just resize it. Now in here I can set any image from my computer, so I will just press import and I will give images to the buttons. So first is for arrow left, second is for arrow right, this is for going forward, third is for refresh, fourth is for next, for example. So this is the enter button, right? And we will take some more buttons, 1 and 2, and this I will use it for stopping the web page and other I will use for going forward, home. Yeah, so this I will use for home. So I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons and one text box, and in here I am going to give my URL. Okay, so now I will write the code for that. Okay, so first of all I will go to this button I will place beside my, so I have placed this enter button at the right hand side of my text box. So this is for going back, this is for going forward, refresh, stop, home, and in this I will enter the URL, and when I click this arrow button it should be taken as the input URL. And in next video I will also show you how to add a progress bar to this web page also. First, the basic code. Just click this enter button and double click it, and in here just write your web browser name. So web browser 1 dot navigate, and in the bracket closed, and in the bracket just pass the name of this text box, which is text box tool strip text box 1. So pass it here dot text. Okay, so this is the code for navigation. So whatever you enter in this text box, it will navigate for the website or URL which you enter in the text box, and it will show. Now go to your go back button and double click it, and in here once again web browser 1 dot go back, bracket and bracket closed, and now go forward. So web browser dot go forward, and now to refresh web browser dot refresh, and this is to stop. So double click it, web browser dot stop, and in next line home. So just double click this home and web browser dot go home. Okay, and by the way, these pictures which I have included here, you can find them anywhere on the web. So if you search for icon in the web, you could be able to find these pictures. And I generally take my pictures from Icon Archive, which is this website www.iconarchive.com, and in here you can find a lot of pictures which you want. Just search, for example, home, and just click search, and you can find your pictures like it. So these pictures I have taken from there, and now let's try and run our program. So run, and I will enter some URL here. First of all, let's make it bigger so you could be able to see. And in here I will enter the URL for my YouTube channel. So this is the URL, and now I press this enter button or go button, so it will navigate for the web page. So I press it, and it's open. So my YouTube channel is open on the Csharp web browser. Okay, and I can go here. For example, I can navigate somewhere, and now I want to go back, so I will press this go back button, and when I press it, it goes to the previous page I have navigated. And I press forward button or go forward button, it goes to the next page I have surfed. Okay, so back and forward, and if I press this refresh button, it refreshes. The page will refresh once again. So yes, it refreshes. When I press this home button, the Internet Explorer MSN site will open, I think, because this C# is from Microsoft and their default browser is Internet Explorer, so it will go there. So it's not opening any site right now, and go back, and when I press this stop button, the connection will stop. So this is your simple web browser. Now I think I should show how to add a progress bar to this web browser also in this video itself. So let's see how can we add the progress bar to our website. So just go here and take a progress bar from here, and this is the progress bar. Okay, so what I will do is I will select this web browser here. Just select this web browser and go to its event and search for the progress change event, this one, and just double click here. Okay, so double click it, and in here write this code. So first of all, write a try catch block. This is a progress bar name, and in my case the progress bar name is tool strip progress bar. Okay, so I will just change it, go to the code, this one and this one. Okay, now it looks okay, and in here I will show the message box, message box dot show, and I will copy this and dot message. Okay, so just write a try catch block, and in the try catch block write the name of your progress bar dot value is equal to convert dot to int 32, because this takes int value and this here will be a string value. So write convert dot to int 32 and just copy this variable. I will make it a little bit bigger so you could be able to see. So just copy this e variable and write it here, e dot current process, and then write tool strip progress bar 1, which is the progress bar name, dot maximum is equal to convert dot to int 32 and the bracket e dot maximum progress. So write this code for showing the progress of your page loading. So let's try and run the program once again. Just make it a little bit bigger, and in here once again I will enter the URL of my YouTube channel page. So I have entered this URL and I press enter, this button, and you see you are able to see the progress here. Once again, somewhere else, so it's showing value of -1 is not valid for the value. So let's see what can we do for that. So the simple solution for that problem could be, I will just comment this message box because it's throwing unnecessary exception, which I don't think will affect my code right now. So once again I will open and run my program. I will enter the URL of my YouTube channel once again and I press enter, and you see the progress shows. Okay, and I go anywhere, the progress bar is working for that. See here, just see this progress bar. So I go back once again, this was back, so, and now I go to this playlist. Just see here, the progress bar is working now. Okay, so in this way you can also use progress bar with your web browser. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.